Hi, we are coming to you live at 5, which is actually more like 7 o'clock. Yep, it's after 7, Friday night, March 16th. I'm a little late. Well, I didn't know if I was going to be able to do a live today, honestly. Had a doctor's appointment and a bunch of errands and all that stuff. You know how those days kind of, I won't say they get away from you, but you get busy. But anyway, I am supposed to be having my bingo night tonight. And I did not have enough people sign up. And I was so excited about this. So I'm supposed to actually be having my bingo right now. And it was going to be fun. And we were going to do 6 rounds of bingo. And a easy, quick, lovely make and take project. And etc., etc. I am going to try to get in April. I will be coming up with a date. And we'll try it again in April. I really want you guys to participate in this. I think everybody would really have a lot of fun, because who doesn't love bingo, number 1? Who doesn't love winning stuff, number 2? And who doesn't love a quick craft project and all of that? I just really think it's a fun way. It's not really even a class. I just think it would be a fun way to get together. And anyway, I want to show you just a couple of, not everything, just a little bit of what some of the prizes might look like to entice you a little bit. To come into my spider web. Here. So when you come, the first thing you'll get is this little packet with just some little fun DSP. You'll get a Stampin' Spot and a dauber to mark up your bingo card. And there might be some other things in there, which I won't show you. And here's the thing. I dug this out. It doesn't even show on camera. It's falling apart. I have this shopping cart I bought a bazillion years ago at Target. And it's a miniature shopping cart. And then I have a really tiny, like, handheld version too, which the little daubers are when you come in. So that's fun little, I don't know. I like my little shopping carts. So that's one thing. And so, you'll go home with a dauber and an ink spot of certain colors. You don't know what color. If you come early, you get to pick your color, I guess. Here is the level 1 prize. There's 3 level 1 prizes, and I do have plans for a tie. And what this is, this is this part of why I'm showing you is I'm kind of proud of it. For the level 1 prize, it makes, I'd have to get out the catalog, but it makes 2 of our silver gable boxes, and it comes with some decorative paper, some cardstock, some ribbon, some doodads, and some shreddy for the box. So you get 2 boxes and all this, and so instead of it being just product, it's product that you can just take and use, or you can actually make it into something. It's like a little kit. So I'm really kind of excited about that. And then, of course, the 6th round of bingo is blackout round. So your grand prize is all the hostess benefits from the night's orders and any extra cards, bingo cards that are purchased. It's $5 per extra card. So that money goes into your pot, into an envelope here, and that all goes toward your purchases. And there's no ties that round, so whoever gets blackout first, boom. Okay, so just thought I'd tantalize you with that. Also, I had some people come to my sandbox this Tuesday, the next sandbox, which was fun. And I don't think they mind me sharing this. I'm not going to name them on the camera, but they're wow, my cord is showing. I'm sorry. Next sandbox is April 10th at my house. And so the ladies that came this week, we discussed. They didn't actually end up playing because they're kind of new to the Stampin' Up stuff. So they observed and looked and talked and all of that. But one of the things that came out of that is I may pull down my old technique books that I've been pulling together. And people can look through that and say, I want to learn that technique and maybe I can make a class from that. I might even start doing some of my lives based on those old techniques, oldie but goodie. Honestly, it was kind of fun. And this all started because I was cleaning up my boxes of cards to sell. And I came across some old techniques. I'm like, oh my gosh, haven't seen that anyway. So I'm just kind of prattling on. But, so Sandbox, April 10th, mark the date, 1 to 4. And again, if enough interest, I will start offering evening session maybe this summer, but not until, because we have a lot going on in our personal lives right now. And what's booked is what I can do. And here, I'll keep this out there for a little bit. So in case you're rewatching, you can pause it and look at the cord. It's still in the way. Arga! Technical, oh, look at that. Technical problems. Anyway, so April 10th, May 8th, June 12th. That's all I have scheduled. Again, beyond that, if there is enough interest, I know there's already been people who've expressed interest in an evening session. I can't do it before then. With my son graduating, with a bunch of other stuff going on, there just is not time in my schedule right now to add any more than is already on there. And be sure and check out my schedule on here, because I have been adding stuff, and I've got some more stuff that I have scheduled on my personal calendar that I need to put on there. And including now another date for bingo, because I'm going to keep trying to hold bingo until we get enough people, because I just think it would be really, really fun. And do not forget Celebration still going on. We've had some new items added. And I don't have the super new flyer that they released this week printed, but we still have the Eclectic Expressions, which you can get, which was added end of February. Here's some of the other items, and then you can get, and here's some of the other items, and then you can get the level 2. Oh, and that's right, the Springtime Foils DSP. Oh, is that nummy? And there's some new techniques people are discovering with that. I hope there's a product like that in the annual catalog coming out. And then you can get the level 2. So with a $100 order, you can get the stamp set and the basket die. And the embossing folder will be available in the 2018-19 annual catalog. So great chance to get it for free now. And there, you know, I've seen people making pies out of that basket thing, you know, because it's and doing some really cool things. So I've not had a chance to play with mine yet, because I've been like the event lady lately, which means I need to schedule some time next week to play with my stuff, and that will be happening. Anyway, so there's that. Celebration still going on until March 31st. We're in the final weeks. Don't forget, message me if you need a catalog or anything. Otherwise, visit this to place your order. Host code when you be sure and do that. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do, and I did this toward the end, so if you don't want to see it, scroll on by. I got my March Paper Pumpkin box today for the 5th anniversary. And when it came, my stinky husband went out and got the mail and then held my box for ransom. I kid you not. I was kind of like, huh? That made me kind of upset. Anyway, I did eventually get it, obviously. I have not unboxed it. I am not kidding. My seal is still on here. I have no idea. So if you don't want to reveal, if you get pumpkin and you don't want to see it, scroll on by and stop watching now. Put that pause on, because I am doing this. I want to know. And the wise person probably would have brought a scissors with to this party, but didn't. And I'm not going to get up to get one. We'll make it work. Sorry. So, I do not know. I know there's extra stuff in here for the 5th anniversary. Paper Pumpkin just gets better and better and better. I kid you not. The first year, yeah, it was a great idea. And they learned a lot, as any new product you do. But 5 years in, which is pretty amazing, and Stampin' Up got in on the monthly box thing fairly early. I mean, now it's just ridiculous the amount of box things that you can get, monthly mail box surprise gift things. Anyway, okay, enough enough blathering. So 5 years. What have we got? So we've got the stamp set, which looks like some, Mother's Day, happy birthday, hello, may good things all year long. Beautiful friendship we have grown. Some cute leaves and flowers. Ooh, this is our 5-year gift. Oh, they're woodcuts. Oh my goodness. Oh, I don't want to open that yet. Should I? Yeah, I probably should. And again, somebody should have brought scissors to this party. That would have been wise. Yeah. Ugh. Yeah. The wise person brings scissors. What paper crafter is not without? We'll just pull that out. How about that? Let's just be easier right now. Oh, those are pretty. And I know you can stamp on our woodcuts, probably with our archival ink, because otherwise it'll bleed. Oh, those are cute. Ooh, they must be laser cut woodcuts too. Okay. Anyway, really cute. Paper Pumpkin's 5th anniversary. Wood embellishments saying thank you to 5 years of creativity. That is terrific. Thank you. So what is this kit? We get an early espresso Stampin' Spot. And for those not subscribing, they do not repeat colors, but possibly every 6 months. And don't forget with Paper Pumpkin, it comes